Hey everybody, Dean Searles here. On today's episode of 60 Seconds with ARC, the challenge is maintaining equipment, and the solution is coming up next. Hey, have you ever been on the roof of a building and you're servicing a piece of equipment and you suddenly realize there's information you need? Maybe it's an O&M manual or a service log or parts list or something else. Driving back and forth to the facility's office to retrieve that information is time-consuming and expensive. There's a better way, and as simple as taking a picture with your phone. Let me show you how we do it. Start by launching the ARC Facilities app. Now select the equipment module. Tap the QR code icon in the search bar. Scan the QR code and that's it. All of the equipment details are instantly available. Hey, now that you've seen how easy it is to access equipment information, you might want to try it for yourself. You can download the app and learn more at arcfacilities.com. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.